Happy Sunday everyone and welcome back to my channel. My name is Brooke if you guys are new here. I make videos in New York City. It's a Sunday and I slept in a little bit. I had a fun weekend. Just ordered some food because I'm a little hungover. Not crazy actually, it could be worse, but I got like chips, guac. Wow, excited for that guac. But the main event is the quesadilla. Like, yeah, this is the things that I do on Sunday to reward myself. I do have groceries in the fridge, so I will be making meals moving forward. I say that every time, it's fine. I hope that you guys are all having an amazing day so far. This is just gonna be another vlog. I think I'm gonna show you guys my makeup routine in this video too. I get a lot of questions on how I do my makeup. Probably gonna do that tomorrow, so stay tuned for that. But today is just Sunday, so just tidying up and preparing for an awesome week ahead, taking a look at my calendar, seeing like what I have to do. Yeah, because I have, you know, people text me like, oh, like trying to make plans or trying to figure out like when I could do certain things, and I honestly haven't even really barely opened my computer this weekend. I posted a video yesterday, but because I post on Saturday, I post Tuesday and Saturday these days, so subscribe. I'm gonna eat my food and watch Younger because I'm addicted. It's so good. I watched it on Hulu if you guys were wondering. I ate my food. I just kind of feel sad. I mean, I get sad most Sundays, honestly. I don't really know why. I mean, usually it's a different reason every Sunday, but Sundays just tend to be like a sadder day. It's not like, oh, I dread what I'm doing on Monday. Like I get to do work like what I'm doing now and like I look forward to it. So I don't know if it's just, I don't know, whatever. I have this weird thing with Sundays. So I'm gonna go for a walk and get a coffee and honestly just go because I want to go for a walk. So I'll bring you guys with. I just got back downstairs. I was reading this book on the roof. It's nice, crisp, like 60 degrees. I really like this book so far. It's just a fiction one. It's called American Royals. I know that the second one got released too, so if I like it, I could get the second one, which is cool. It's nice, gets me off my phone and gets me reading again. I'm gonna start reading before bed again. I've been back into journaling. I've been like really, the past like week has been really good, honestly. Not that I wasn't focusing on myself, because I definitely, like, obviously you guys know I take care of myself, like I live alone, whatever. I had plenty of time, no excuses. But at the same time, I feel like, you know, with starting therapy again, I'm just like really dedicating a lot of my time to taking care of myself and like reflecting on things and people and reading and I don't know, just maybe not wasting away my life watching YouTube all day. Nothing wrong with that. I love it, and I definitely already watched YouTube today, like on a Sunday, but I just feel like I spend so much of my time consuming so much just a content. It's nice to step back and be like, oh, let me focus on me for a sec. And this comfy pullover is from American Eagle from from when I did a brand deal with them last year for the holidays, and I love it. It's so comfortable. I love breaking it out. In the fall time, it feels just like a big hug. I am going to now chill on the couch. Speaking of getting involved in someone else's world, it's 6:30 and Big Brother's on at 8, so I'll probably just keep reading on the couch for a little bit. Just got a little chilly upstairs. Hi guys, good morning. It is the next day. I am getting ready for my day now. I have no makeup on, just my skincare. I think I'm gonna show my skincare in a separate video just because I wanna show you guys like the full routine I've been doing, but I can link it below. It's this set from Perricone MD and it really helped to clear up my skin. It's like an acne set, so I'll link it below. It's the Acne Relief Retinol Treatment Moisturizer and then the Calming Treatment Hydrator at night. And then like it comes with a spa treatment, and I just use a gentle face wash. I strayed away from acne related like skincare for a really long time because I just thought like, oh, I'll use gentle skincare. I don't know, but it's been really helping. You guys know I've been like kind of breaking out my chin area and stuff, and I mean right now my skin's pretty clear, so I'm a fan. But I'm gonna show you guys my little makeup routine just super quick. I'll try to link everything below. I get a decent amount of questions actually. Ooh, okay. I get an actual like decent amount of questions on my makeup. I pretty much always use the same products. If anything, I'll swap out like maybe like a concealer or like my mascara, whatever, but like nothing really crazily changes. Oh, what am I getting ready for? I'm actually going to get my nails done. They're a little bit overgrown. It's been like 3 weeks, probably 2 weeks maybe. I haven't gotten my nails done actually in the city yet. I usually wait and like time it for when I go home, and I'll like wait till they get really grown out or whatever, but well, I need to go. I might go home in like a week or something. I don't really know when. Home to Long Island, I mean. First off, I'm using the IT Cosmetics CC Cream, Your Skin But Better. Some days I skip this actually and I'll just do concealer, but since I'm like gonna be out and about all day today, I'll do like a full face of makeup, and for the purpose of showing you guys. This is pretty good coverage, but it doesn't break me out, which we love. That is phenomenal. So I'm getting my nails done, meeting a friend for lunch, and I saw on TikTok this like new really cute boutique. It's like Nolita Soho area, which is like, I'm walking over in that direction anyway, so I might pop in and see Apparently everything's under $100 and they have like really cute stuff, very trendy. Not that I need to do any shopping, but I think it will be cool to like poke around. What else am I doing today? That's really it. Oh, I have therapy later. It's Monday. So it really is just a pretty chill Monday. I'm obviously gonna like come home and do emails and stuff like that later, but I'm just gonna have a lighter Monday. Also, this makeup sponge is a Beauty Blender dupe. It's from Amazon, so I can link this below too. And then I actually just like take it up onto my eyelids so that they're not like veiny. Right now for concealer, I use the Tarte concealer. This is Shape Tape, and I just throw some of this under my eyes. I think that this vlog might only be over the course of a few days because of the contents of it. Hopefully I'll be able to vlog when I'm out and stuff. I think I'm gonna get dark nails. It's fall. I think today is actually the first official day of fall. I could be totally wrong on that, but I'm pretty positive it is. Also, I have this makeup routine down that I can do it pretty fast, which is nice. Under 15 minutes, you know? Unless I'm like going out to like an event, I don't like spending so much time doing my makeup. I feel like it always looks the same no matter how hard I try. Sometimes I use other concealers under my eyes. By the way, I've been liking this one from Becca. That's just what I use today. Now I'm gonna set my skin with Fenty Beauty setting powder and this bigger brush. This can get really heavy and like cakey looking fast, so I only use a little bit of it, and it's really just to set like my T-zone and under my eyes pretty much. I guess my chin too. Really all over. I don't really know what I'm doing when it comes to makeup. I just know like what I like the look of on myself. Straightened my hair today because it was just looking unruly from how I slept on it, so I just went ahead and straightened it. Now for blush, I'm using NARS Orgasm Blush. Mine's broken. I bought a backup, but I want to go through the whole thing first, so I just smile and I put this like right at the tippy top of my cheeks. I never realized this importance of blush until I started like really actively wearing it, and it makes you look so much more like awake, like glowy, rosy. Just, I'm here for it. And speaking of glow, we're gonna use the Benefit Cookie Highlighter. I just use the brush that it comes with. I talked about this in my favorites video. You guys should go watch that if you haven't. And I just use the brush that it comes with, and I like swoop this onto my cheekbones just like so. Just a little swoop and then down on the nose like that. Now for bronzer, I use the Too Faced Chocolate Bronzer. Almost out of this as well. This random contouring brush, and I just rub this all over my face. I don't have any sort of placement method really. I feel like I make that like fishy face, you know, and then try to do a little bit on my jawline, so Makeup Magic, a little bit on my forehead. For my eyes, I'm taking Urban Decay Sin. It's just a single shadow like this. I've been using this since high school. I had a friend in high school who used this and I became obsessed with it. Shout out to her. I doubt she's watching this, but she got me hooked on it so long ago. We're not friends anymore, but it's fine. So I just use like a regular eyeshadow brush and I just put that all over my eyelid, and that's it. I just use one eyeshadow these days, unless I'm like doing something funky, but what's going on that's funky these days that I would even need to do like a smoky eye or anything like that. I literally just like threw this all over. You could even work it up to the brow bone if you like want to, you know. I think it looks pretty in the inner corner though, so I like do it there and then just dust it all over, and that's it. Super simple. Brows, Glossier Boy Brow, you guys know the drill. I have it in the just like brown color, I think, and literally I just like brush this through. I just like these all-in-one type brow products because they're simple. My brows are naturally like decently shaped and like full already, so I don't really need too much extra, you know, but it does make a difference. I mean, look at that. I've been using this Lancome mascara recently and I've really been liking it, but I think that why my lashes look good is because I use a growth serum. So I use the Babe Lash growth serum. I use it like probably like every other night at this rate, but I just curl my lashes. This is from Sephora. Shiseido, I don't know, just like a random eyelash curler. I think curling your eyelashes makes them look so much better. I know some people don't. I swear, it changes the whole look of them and it takes 2 seconds. And then this Lancome mascara, it gets kind of gloopy sometimes, so I just try to do like 1 coat, maybe 2. Like, that looks good. Before and after. I think that looks pretty decent. And then we set it all with what you guys are sitting on, Urban Decay setting spray, so I'm gonna do that. This is the finished product. Literally took me 10 minutes, maybe because I have it down, but yeah, I'm happy with it. And I never really wear like lip glosses and stuff like that really anymore because of the mask wearing situation, you know, when you're out and about. But I really like this Glossier lip gloss. Let me put that on. Yeah. We're here at lunch. Hello! We're getting some delicious avocado toast. We're here in the West Village. What did you get? A little egg sandwich?
Egg sandwich. It looks so good on a croissant.
Yeah, that looks so fire. Nice. I just finished up therapy. I do it every Monday at the same time now. I have my tissues ready. I didn't really cry that much. I'm on my period, so honestly I'm just like extremely emotional today as it is. Honestly, it was a really good session, really necessary. And what I'm filling out right now, she has me filling out this life handbook basically just so that she can know more about me, because obviously we're going to get into everything, but it's just about, you know, me through the years and stuff. So I'm taking a lot of time to make sure I fill that out cohesively. But I wanted to kind of share some of the lessons. I'm going to do, like, I know I'm doing a video coming up with Victoria's Secret Pink for mental health, so stay tuned for that. Hopefully I can encourage you guys to, you know, prioritize your mental health. It's only been a few weeks obviously, but it's like changed my life already. I needed like a pep talk. Like I was just kind of feeling down on myself in a lot of different areas and stuff, and she just reminded me that all I can do is just, you know, try to be the best version of myself and be authentically me. And if people like that, then they like that, and if they don't, then they don't. And it's honestly so true, and that's a really good way of looking at it. I shouldn't have to change my life or try to appease somebody else or try to piece someone into my life. If it's not a fit, it's not a fit. So that's just something. It's not even like a person really, it's more so just like I'm just feeling kind of funky these days and like trying to find my place here and like this new life, not new life, but like new city. You guys get it. I'm gonna sit here and keep filling this questionnaire out, maybe cry, release. I haven't gotten a good cry in a little bit, so it feels kind of nice to actually get it out. I have a video going up tomorrow, so I'm gonna do like the titles and the tags and stuff for it. Made dinner, cauliflower stir fry, veggies from Trader Joe's, all frozen, and then chicken sausage from Trader Joe's, soy sauce. Literally took 10 minutes, and I think there's actually nutrients in this. If I had fresh greens or like spinach or something like that, I'd probably add it, but I feel like I have a good mix of proteins in here. I'm gonna use my blue light glasses to help me on my screen. Hi guys, good morning. I woke up extremely late today, so I didn't pick up the camera, but I'm gonna just vlog a little bit of my morning since I don't really know what else is in this vlog. Might as well. I'm going to get lunch with my friend Emma. So excited. So I'll show you guys my outfit. I had a call this morning with Twitter actually. Very excited. I think I told you guys I got verified on Twitter last week, so I've just been like working on, I don't want to be like working on my tweets. Like I just tweet stream of consciousness, like random stuff that I'm thinking, but I love Twitter and I always have, so I'm really excited that I have a contact there now, so that was really cool. I wanted to show you guys my outfit because I got these new jeans that I love. It's like 70 degrees, so I didn't really know what to wear. These jeans are from Princess Polly. They are really nice. They're really loose in the leg, but they're tight here at the top, and they have this cool crisscross, which I really appreciate. I will link them below. I'm a size 8 if you guys were wondering, and they're just really comfortable. Like they feel like sweatpants, and then I'm just wearing my white All Saints sneakers, and then this white crop tank, which this is from Riona, and then I'm just gonna do my Prada crossbody. I didn't really know what shirt to wear. I might bring a sweater along with me too, just because I think it might be a little chilly. I don't really know. I'm running a little late, so I'm gonna go meet Emma, and I will vlog when we get to the restaurant. It is seriously such a pretty day. I just got home, just had a great lunch with my friend Emma. I stopped at GNC and I picked up some Alani Nu energy drinks. You guys know I've been drinking these, not every day, but like when I get the mid-afternoon crash or like pre-workout, you could really use them for anything. I also am using that sweater that I wore yesterday. I wore it as a shirt yesterday, but today I unbuttoned it and I'm wearing it as a little cardigan. I kind of like it. All right, so I got some new flavors of the energy drinks that I'm just gonna try. Not right now, obviously. I'm gonna put them in my fridge and try them later, but it was buy 5, get 1 free. Watermelon Wave is this one. Hawaiian Shaved Ice. I've tried the pre-workout of that. Arctic White. This is new. Cosmic Stardust. Tropsicle. They have so many flavors. And sour peach rings. So I'm gonna throw these all in the fridge, and I'm gonna end off the vlog here. I hope you guys enjoyed spending a few days with me. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a big thumbs up. Really supports me and my channel. And I love you guys, and I'll talk to you all again really soon. Bye.